Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of edamame. From heart health to bone strength, edamame offers a range of advantages for your overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore the impressive nutritional profile of edamame and how it can be a fantastic addition to your diet. We can't wait to share with you all the incredible ways edamame can supercharge your health. This little green gem is a total game changer, so if you're ready to discover a whole new world of delicious and nutritious, you're in for a treat. Stick around, because we're about to embark on an edamame adventure. Firstly, edamame is naturally low in saturated fat and contains no cholesterol. Diets low in saturated fat and cholesterol are recommended for heart health, as they can help lower the risk of heart disease. Edamame is a rich source of isoflavones, which are plant compounds that have been associated with various health benefits, including heart health. Isoflavones may help improve blood vessel function, reduce blood pressure, and have antioxidant effects, all of which contribute to a healthy cardiovascular system. Edamame is a good source of potassium, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake is associated with lower blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension and related heart problems. Studies have suggested that diets rich in soy-based foods, like edamame, may contribute to lower levels of LDL cholesterol. This is due in part to the presence of plant sterols and isoflavones. Now let's talk about bone health. Edamame is a good source of calcium, a mineral crucial for building and maintaining strong bones. Adequate calcium intake is essential to prevent conditions like osteoporosis and osteopenia. It's also rich in magnesium, which works in conjunction with calcium to support bone health. Magnesium helps regulate calcium levels in the body and contributes to bone density. Edamame is a notable source of vitamin K, a nutrient essential for bone metabolism. It helps in the formation of proteins necessary for bone mineralization and overall bone health. It's also a plant-based protein source that provides essential amino acids needed for various bodily functions, including the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein in bones. Isoflavones in edamame have been studied for their potential to support bone health. They may help modulate bone turnover, which is the process of breaking down old bone and building new bone tissue. Some research suggests that the isoflavones in soy-based foods like edamame may have a protective effect against age-related bone density loss, particularly in postmenopausal women. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. What's more, edamame is considered a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot produce on its own. This makes it an excellent plant-based protein option for vegetarians and vegans. On average, cooked edamame contains about 17 grams of protein per cup. This is a significant amount, especially for a plant-based food. Edamame provides a balanced array of essential and non-essential amino acids. These amino acids are the building blocks of proteins and are essential for various bodily functions, including muscle repair and growth. The protein in edamame plays a crucial role in muscle development, repair, and maintenance. This is important for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to support their muscular health. The protein in edamame supports the maintenance and development of lean body mass, which is important for overall health and physical performance. Did you know edamame supports weight management? Edamame is relatively low in calories compared to many other protein-rich foods. This means you can enjoy a satisfying portion without consuming excessive calories. It's rich in both protein and fiber, 2 nutrients that are known to promote feelings of fullness and satiety. Including edamame in meals can help you feel more satisfied, which may lead to a reduced overall calorie intake. The fiber content in edamame slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This leads to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream, providing a steady supply of energy and reducing the likelihood of sudden hunger pangs. Including edamame in meals can help you feel more satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks between meals. Additionally, the fiber and protein content of edamame can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a good option for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Edamame is rich in phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that have a similar structure to the hormone estrogen. These phytoestrogens can interact with estrogen receptors in the body, potentially helping to regulate hormonal balance. The primary phytoestrogens found in edamame are isoflavones, specifically genistein and dietzyne. These isoflavones have been shown to have estrogen-like effects in the body, which can be beneficial for women, especially during times of hormonal fluctuations like menopause. Some studies suggest that the isoflavones in edamame may help alleviate certain menopausal symptoms, such as hot flashes and night sweats, by providing a mild estrogenic effect when estrogen levels naturally decline. Due to their estrogen-like effects, isoflavones in edamame may have a positive impact on conditions related to hormonal balance, such as polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, or irregular menstrual cycles. For some women, particularly those with irregular menstrual cycles, incorporating edamame into their diet may potentially help regulate hormonal fluctuations and promote more regular cycles. Let's check how edamame supports healthy skin and hair. It's packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, as well as phytochemicals. These antioxidants help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging and skin conditions. The protein content in edamame provides amino acids essential for collagen production. Collagen is a structural protein that gives skin its elasticity and firmness, contributing to a youthful appearance. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis and also helps brighten the skin by reducing the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. Hair is primarily made up of a protein called keratin. The protein in edamame provides essential amino acids needed for the formation and structure of healthy hair. Edamame contains biotin, a B vitamin that is crucial for maintaining healthy hair. Biotin deficiency can lead to hair thinning and brittleness. It's also a source of iron, which helps transport oxygen to hair follicles. Proper oxygen supply is crucial for hair growth and strength. Some research suggests that the isoflavones in soy-based foods like edamame may have a positive impact on hair health by potentially reducing hair loss and promoting hair growth. There you have it, folks. The incredible world of edamame, right at your fingertips. Remember, this little green superfood isn't just good for your taste buds, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can do wonders for your health. So whether you're looking to boost your heart health, strengthen those bones, manage your weight, or simply glow with radiant skin and hair, edamame has got you covered. See you tomorrow. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.